Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I'm looking at my advent calendar right now. Let's open it up earlier today. But before we do that, today it's already a little past like 12. John wasn't feeling well, so he napped for a little bit because he woke up pretty early. He was watching, I think it was an Arsenal game. I think it was actually. So he woke up early, like at 6 in the morning or something on a Sunday, to watch a soccer game. And then he went back to sleep because he wasn't feeling well. He had a headache. So I just kind of watched Hallmark movies downstairs and did some of the dishes and cleaned up a little bit. And now he just woke up and we're going to get ready to go out and get the rest of the Christmas stuff that we need. Hopefully we find everything. Otherwise, it is what it is. Next year I'll make sure I drive and go out early, because what happened this year was that because we didn't have a lot of time because John had grad school stuff to do, then it was kind of like whenever we could, which is now, and now everything's pretty much gone. So hopefully guys, this is my promise, hopefully next year I will drive. Things will be a little bit more interesting around here, hopefully too, and we'll have all the Christmas decorations that I want and we want to put around, and etc. But let's go ahead and open that advent calendar now. Oh, a candle. Cypress? I don't know how to say it in French. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my little collection here. It's getting a little big here. This was a polish from yesterday. Alright, so we just got here and we're gonna get the tree, and he's like, tiny tree. Yeah, I just saw them. They were way smaller than I remember them. But we're gonna get those, so, right?
Yeah, with 24 feet of lighting.
That's not true. That's not what we have.
This tree.
No, we have 9 feet. What a Grinch. We're going for a whitish decoration. 30% off. Alright, we're at Whole Foods. These are the bigger trees. Smells so good. And then we're going to our trees. These babies. Can you repeat that?
I like curves. Curvy trees.
Sure. I was like, this one's straight, and then this one's like curvy. He's like,
I think that one's maybe the best.
That one? Let's compare it. So you like that one?
Better shape, the curves.
Yeah, this one's also like, this one's bigger for sure. It kind of looks like it's missing. So this one's nice.
I think it's cool.
Okay, well, it looks like that's our tree. Look how tiny it is. Look at these, babe. Look how big these are.
Let's replace ours.
Yeah.
Next?
Hi. Yeah, it's a little tree. Should I just...
Oh, a little tree you just like pay for up front and then take it.
Like inside?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
go to the desk.
Okay,
Customer service
perfect.
desk. Yeah, you're fine.
Little trees don't get special privilege. We're so fancy. Didn't even go to a tree farm. Are we fancy?
No, not as fancy as that guy.
Oh, Tesla.
Not all heck.
What an attention-grabbing car.
Look at those curves.
Ooh, curves. Really, in the back trunk?
The dead bodies. Yeah, I don't want these needles.
It doesn't fit. It's too long.
It's a tabletop tree. It's like 3 inches tall.
We got some good ornaments in Crate & Barrel. We love Crate & Barrel. That's pretty much where we got most of our stuff. When
Go ahead. I have a green light. You don't have a left arrow.
That's where we got most of the stuff from when we moved into our place. And like, I honestly...
Most of the stuff. What did we get?
Our pans, our knives, our cooking utensils. Do you want me to keep going? Our pan every time, like anything we need, every time we need something, we go to Crate & Barrel.
Not furniture.
Why would we get furniture from there? Where do we get furniture from? Oh, what's that?
Or IKEA.
Or IKEA.
Those are two extremes.
Very two extremes for sure. Well, it depends what we need it for. So like our guest sofa thing that like would just sit upstairs and like, you know, nothing too crazy. That's from IKEA, but like our TV furniture that we want like a sturdy like furniture, that was from Bus Elm. And we have other stuff that we want to, but anyways, I digress. John. But anyways, we got some nice ornaments from Crate and Barrel, and like I was telling John, it actually worked out because the ornaments that we got, which I'll show you guys obviously when we're putting it up, or after, you know, that crazy tiny tree.
Fits in the width of the trunk. With a base that's like that tall.
But yeah, the ones that we did get, they were similar to the ones that I was gonna get in IKEA, so that kind of worked out. I really like those.
Except not made of paper.
Not made out of paper. What the heck? Like, but anyway, and then we got the eucalyptus leaves, which need to be replaced for our dining table. And yeah, I think everything worked out. So hopefully everything looks good, which I think it will. And we have the lights already. Oh, we're gonna exchange the lights actually, because they were pure white and I wanted them like warm white. Normally I wouldn't care, but I think it looks weird because every other light that we have in there is warm.
Well, also all of our ornaments are white, so the warm light might look really strange.
I don't think so.
Maybe hold on to the white ones.
Why don't we just buy another box of it then?
That's what I was just saying. You didn't even let me get my thought out.
Well, I know what you're gonna say because we think the same.
No, we don't.
This has been a great conversation, John.
Oh, you stress me out.
We're at Target now and just passed these sweaters. Oh, this is the one that you just read? That's John's favorite.
I relate to it very well.
What's that one? I like that one. Naughty. I actually really like that one.
Take the citizen for cuddling.
What is that, Deadpool? I really like this one. I want it for myself. That's so awesome.
Yeah, it's like your hair. Naughty.
Shut up. We're at my favorite section again.
Where you break everything.
Oh my god. I don't know if I filmed that yesterday, but I broke an ornament yesterday here, a glass ornament. Oops.
Pick the big one.
Yay! What a big tree! What is that? Look at his little face. What do you look, a tree? Look at our tree. Quite a big tree there. And the Sharif. Now everything's covered in pine needles. We bought these, which are like glass, and they're kind of fuzzy, with just some sparkle on them on the white. And we got 2 of those, just some like accent pieces. And we also got these stars, because I wanted some stars, and I found these that are all glittery and white, silver. And then I also got this one snowflake, which is sparkly as well. And then after a while, we agreed on one box of actual regular ornaments. They had like red, green, and like white ornaments, like all mixed with different designs. And they also had these like gold ones, and then gold and white. And then they had silver, and then we decided on the silver. Like we brought each, we actually like separated in the store, and we came back to each other. And we both were holding boxes of ornaments, and John's like, I actually like the silver better, which is the one that I was holding. And we just agreed on one of these boxes. So we got these, and it comes with just different type of silver ones, and they have some like little gold pieces to them as well. And we also got little hanging things, which apparently have these like little beads on them. Cute. Alright, so here we go.
So many options.
Wait, what side does it go on? This way or this way? Probably this way. The bigger one goes to the tree.
Don't put too many on one
I
side.
know. John, if you want to help, you can come. Alright guys, it's done. Well, for now. Yes, Wilson, I'm talking to the camera. So this is a tree. I put like a pillow there because I think that just looks a little bit more complete. Otherwise, it's just a massive tree skirt for a bigger tree. The light are pure white, which we might exchange. I'm not sure. I wanted the warm ones, but apparently we got the pure white ones. And we went to the Target today. They didn't have those, so we might go back to the regular Target we go to. But it looks pretty cute. I'll show you a close up. Those are our neighbor's lights. It's like pretty like lighty in here. So many lights. And then we bought this little house here. I wanted one from Target. And then we found these at Crate & Barrel. They were way nicer. And they had different shapes and stuff. So I got the double peak one, which looked really, really cute because I like all the little windows and stuff. And then on the other side, John picked out this little reindeer, which I really like now with everything else that we have. And then these little, I don't even forget what they're called, just the little leaves things in the back. Those are from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and I got those when they came out, when the line was released. So they actually look really nice here. They look kind of odd earlier without anything here, but now they kind of just look like they fit. And then obviously you guys know this little section here. Those lights keep falling off, so I keep having to tape them back up. But everything looks really nice. Oh, and then the garland, I ended up putting it here. And I might buy some of the little like fairy lights and put them around here. Because they're just like battery operated. And there's no area where we can put it like an outlet. There's like nothing. And that's Wilson's little food area. So I might just put that so it has like some light. Because right now it just looks kind of dark and plain. I also wanted to put some stockings here, but John doesn't want to buy any stockings because we're not going to be here pretty much for Christmas. I don't know if I've mentioned that, but we're not going to be here for Christmas. So we're not really going to fill it up. So it's just going to be decoration, which I don't mind. But last thing is the wreath. So here's what it looks like. And then it has like some of the wire fairy light little lights here, which are battery operated. We keep those outside. It also flashes into blue, which you guys saw. Does that. I don't know why. That's the ones that I picked up. They didn't have regular warm ones, so. But it looks cute. And I also tried to get those, the lights that we bought for outside around there, but apparently 24 feet is way too short for the area that we wanted, which I think it's hilarious because I'm like, 24 feet, it'll be fine. But no, we're actually like wrapping it around like a pole that's outside or like a pillar. So, yeah, it doesn't really reach, so, oh well. We'll probably get more, like I said, and put them wherever we kind of feel like they're right And again, we might exchange those for some warmer lights.